Right now, welcome back with another broker comparison video. We're going to be starting with the comparison with our winner from the previous video, Envi FX. This time, we are going to be comparing it to Sway Markets. Once again, thank you for commenting the broker that you would like me to use in our next video. Do that again, head down to the comment section and comment your favorite broker. Let me do that comparison for you and see if it can actually beat Envi FX. So today, before we jump into the video, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Okay, so looking at EnviFX, nice, simple and easy website. You can see it's nice and clear. And if we scroll down, you can see that their tight spreads are important. Now, as a trader myself, the spreads is something that you want to pay attention to. One of the top three things that I would say look out for, because with spreads, if you don't know, it's when you enter the price is when the price will move either way. So if your spread is 7, it will move your pips down 7 pips, or for example, this will be 0.7, etc. Okay, so you can see that what they also do is they cover the majors, they cover the crosses, they cover the exotics, indices, also energies, cryptos, EU shares, US shares, and metals. So they actually cover a vast amount of the industry. So if you're in the financial sector, then I'm pretty sure this will cover exactly what you want to do. Okay, so going down the account funding, I know on my previous video, this was one of the big things for me. And I know in the comments, you've also mentioned that the fact that they do not only debit, credit card and bank deposits, but you can also deposit directly with crypto. And the withdrawals is the same. You can withdraw back to your bank or you can withdraw into your crypto fund. So having those different options are very important, especially the debit card and credit card, because not everyone out there has crypto. Okay, so if we go down, there are more reasons to trade with EnviFX. Okay, so they've got their market expertise. They have EAs, market insights, and analyzing tools available for you just for creating an account. You haven't got to sign up for anything. These all come free with your broker account. Okay, you can also earn a passive income. So if you are one of the affiliate marketers out there, or you have a big community, you're an influencer, anything like that, have an EnviFX, you then will get rewarded for recommending people to this broker. Okay, they've also got revolutionary technology, one trading platform, multiple opportunities. We'll go in that in a second. And trust, offering traders the safest and trading environment around. Okay, so what I also like about EnviFX is it has multiple different options for you to trade. If you're a MetaTrader 4 old school trader, then you can use that. If you want to go a bit more advanced, you can go MT5. If you don't have that capability, they also have a WebTrader as well. Okay, so their support is also very good as well. You can contact these 24/7 and they're very reliable. If you click on that button, it will give you an email address and they will go through. But if you do log in and sign up, you can actually get their live support as well, but with everything involved. Now that's EnviFX. Let's head on over to Sway and see what they are saying. Okay, so this is swaymarkets.com. And you can see, again, a very nice interface. You can see they've got their login, their sign up. They've also got this little tab here that you can go through their different sections. I can also see an affiliate program here as well. I'm pretty confident their affiliate program is very common along the brokers. They do reward you. It depends on what you're looking for and how you want to do it. So if we scroll down on their homepage, you can see that they do their major trading pairs for the Forex. You can see your EU, you can see your GU, and you can see your UCAD as well. So they have high trading volumes, high liquidity, and frequently traded by investors, etc. Okay, so they've got instant trade execution with low spreads, which is, like I've said, for EnviFX, very, very important as well. Okay, so they've got multiple funding methods. You can deposit funds into your account, trade as quick and easy as secure. All you have to do is log into your trading account, go to deposit, choose any of the available crypto. Okay, so the first thing I noticed already is that the only deposit method is crypto. So if you don't have a crypto account, you are a little bit stuck. Okay, so Sway charts for secure and customer trading. One of the main advantages of Sway trades is enhanced security features. Their platform uses advanced encrypted methods to protect traders' personal and financial information and offers a two-factor authentication for login to prevent unauthorized access. Now, that's very good. I do know that Envi does that as well. You do have to go through a full process to get your account fully set up. They're saying that Sway Markets is made exclusively for the community. Anything you need, we're here day and night. So they also do have the customer support, which is available 24/7. And they have a secure and fast funding methods, which we've just gone over. Okay, so account types. Okay, so this is a bit different. So they do have a VIP one where you can start trading. You get access to all of these. They have an ECN account, which is an all-round account, and you can see that it's slightly different to the VIP one. They also have that Islamic account and a no commission account as well. So this all depends on what you want to trade. I can see here that you can trade crypto, metal indices, stocks, commodities, and crypto with the no commission. That's not available on the Forex section. And obviously the Islamic one will be to your religious needs. Okay, so the 10 minimum deposit, lot cost of 0.1 minimum per lot. Stock selection is 37. Leverage is quite similar, 1 to 500, and 18 cryptos and 55 cryptocurrencies. Okay, so what do you do? So, okay, they only cover the 4 sections. They don't cover as many, but even though it still covers quite the big major pairs. And we can see here they also do have their platform. Okay, so they've got their own little platform. I can't see MetaTrader or MetaTrader 5. Okay, so they have the different sections for the platforms as well. So if you're a pro platform, you get a different platform as well. Okay, so that's Sway Markets. What I'm going to do now is give you my honest review and conclusion. Right, now you should have commented something below. I'm sure you have. Me personally, I still think Envi FX tops it. Sway is a very good account. I can see that there are very good markets. It's got everything that you need, but I think Envi FX actually pips it because of it covers a lot more pairs over the different financial sections. But the main thing for me is the deposit section. Okay, so because you can deposit with your bank and you can deposit with crypto, it covers a wider need and a wider generation. Not only that, but they don't have as many accounts. So without going in and seeing, there probably is a cost for the VIP to the pro. So that would obviously deter quite a few people. Whereas I know with EnviFX, you can simply just set up an account and then go with either a live demo or your Islamic one. But thank you very much for watching the video. Comment below the next broker you would like me to do a review on. But do me a big favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.